When you own or manage a rental property in the Salt Lake area, you're not just dealing with a building. You're dealing with the weather, the soils, the aging systems, and all the wear and tear that comes with them. In fact, many inspection reports uncover more than just cosmetic fixes. Today we're going to walk through the top issues landlords should be watching for before they become major headaches. First up, foundation cracks and shifting soil. In Utah, the soil expands and shrinks with changes in moisture and seasons, and that movement places real stress on older homes. A hairline crack might not sound scary, but when you start seeing horizontal or stair-step cracks, or bowing foundation walls, that's your cue that structural integrity might be compromised. Especially in older homes on the east side of the valley, these issues are more common. The second issue we frequently see, electrical problems and outdated wiring. It's more than just an old panel. We're talking knob and tube wiring, overloaded circuits, missing GFCI outlets. These are dangerous. Electrical issues are among the leading causes of house fires, and older rentals in our area often have wiring that simply doesn't meet today's safety standards. That's why a full electrical check is a must for any serious home inspection in a rental property. Next, let's talk about moisture, drainage problems, mold, and water damage. Getting water to drain away from the foundation is critical. If you've got bad grading, clogged gutters, missing downspouts, that water starts collecting and doing damage structurally and cosmetically. Add to that hidden leaks, poor ventilation, and you've got the perfect recipe for mold. Even in Utah's generally dry climate, we're seeing mold pop up in bathrooms, attics, slow leaks hiding for months. And when the roof is beaten by sun, wind, snow, shingles crack, flashing rusts, vents leak, these are all warning signs. There are a few more categories that may seem smaller individually, but collectively they add up big time. Many units last 15-20 years if maintained, but too often inspections reveal neglected filters, airflow problems, old age. Then there's pest and termite damage. It's not just a southern issue. Rot, sagging floors, hollow-sounding wood show up here. Plumbing issues, corroded pipes, low water pressure, hidden leaks. Again, what looks like a minor drip can end up costing thousands. And finally, the little things. Cracked windows, sticking doors, bad locks, missing weather stripping, tenant complaints, higher utility bills, recurring repair calls. Inspections aren't just a checkbox. They're your chance to spot trouble before it hits your wallet. In the rental market here in Salt Lake City, the soil shifts, the weather takes its toll, systems get old, and small issues become big ones. By proactively inspecting, prioritizing repairs, and partnering with the right professionals, you protect not just your property, you protect your investment and your reputation. If you're a landlord or investor who wants to stay ahead rather than chase problems, now is the time. Take action. Schedule that inspection. Understand your report. Fix the issues that matter first. Your tenants will thank you. Your bottom line will too.